Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix black and white grayscale on iPhone. If you have an iPhone and you are looking your iPhone interface like this, which is black and white grayscale, so you just have to turn it off. You have to disable a setting. So open the your settings app and here look for accessibility. Here's that, tap on it. And here you have to find for display and text size. Here's that, tap on it. And here further scroll down and here you'll get a setting which is color filters. Just tap on it and here you can see the other setting which is color filters and it is enabled. Here you can see grayscale is chosen, so I am going to disable the setting. Just tap on it and then it will be disabled, and you can see I have successfully fixed the gray, white and black screen layouts. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.